Today I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your website. I'm going to be using my YouTube channel as the website. So I'm going to open my web browser. I'm going to go with Google Chrome since that's what I use. It automatically goes to YouTube, so I'm going to go to DuckDuckGo. You can use Google if that's what you want to use, but I use DuckDuckGo. That's my search engine. And I'm going to type in QR code generator. Scroll down and then go to the third one. It should say QR code generator. Create your free QR codes. And it's at www.qr-code-generator.com. Now you're going to open the web page that you want to create the code for. So you're going to open it in another tab. And I'm going to go to YouTube. And I want to create a code for my how-to channel. So I'm going to make sure I'm on the right channel. Switch account, go to the right one. Now I'm going to go into my channel. I'm going to skip the first page because it has my ad revenue and I don't think that's anybody's business. And then I'm going to go to my channel from YouTube Studio. So I'm going to go YouTube Studio and then go to my channel. If you're not sure where to go once you go to YouTube Studio, you just click on the little circle with your picture in it in the top left-hand corner, and that'll bring you to your channel. If you have the YouTube app enabled on your phone, it won't allow you to open your channel in the web browser. It'll automatically go to the YouTube app. So if you're looking to open it on your phone, you might want to disable the YouTube app. And I've done a video on how to do that if you're interested. If not, then you'll have to do this on a computer. And I'm going to copy and paste the URL. Go back to the QR code generator website and paste the website URL where it says enter your website or text. And then click on generate QR code. So there's the QR code and you're going to click on download JPG. It says file downloaded. And if I pull down the screen, there's my QR code there. And if I click on it, here we are. So I now have a QR code for my how-to channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.